Okay, for number 9, um, we need to find the demand price first, okay? So basically, like for this course, we assume all the price and quantity is linear, which means like whenever you find the price demand equation, it will be mx plus b form, okay? So now to find the slope of that equation and y-intercept, we have to set up the like 2 point. Your point must be order pair of the like quantity comma the unit price. Okay, so like look at the first line. They said $400 per person. Then they will have 1,000 people, right? So first the point can be like this. Okay, as I told you, the order pair must be quantity comma the price. Okay, so first point will be 1,000 comma $400. Okay. And what was the second one? The company estimate that for its $5 reduction in price, an additional 20 people would attend the seminar, right? Which means they just decreased like $5, which means $395. Then they're gonna have like 20 more like people attended, right? Then with this one, we can find the like linear difference between these 2 points, right? First of all, we can easily find slope is delta P over delta X. Delta P is 395 minus 400 over 1,000, which is negative 5 over 20, and is negative 1 over 4. That is slope. Then we can set up the price equation, which is P is equal to slope times quantity plus B. And to find B, we can use either point, okay? Let me try to use 1,000 comma 400, okay? Then so which means 400 equal to negative 250 plus B. So your B must be 650, okay? Then we can say my price demand equation P is equal to negative 1/4 X plus 650. Okay, now, like since we find P, okay, let me come back to the problem. Okay, look at the problem, okay? The problem is concerned with the revenue, right? Then what is revenue? Revenue is equal to the price times the quantity, right? So then the revenue R X equal to P times X, which is negative 1/4 X plus 650 times X. Then we can set up your revenue equation as like negative 1/4 X squared plus 650 X. Okay, are you okay so far? Now, okay, let me try to make these guys a little bit small size. There we go, give me 1 second. Okay, let me come back. So now we find the revenue. Then the main problem is they ask to find the maximized revenue, right? So to find maximum of this function is really easy. That's it, right? So like what is the process? First of all, we will start from finding critical value, okay? So to find critical value, we need R prime, which is equal to negative 1/2 X plus 650. Then to find critical number, we're going to set that equal to 0. Then 650 equal to 1/2 x. I added 1/2 x on both sides and multiply 2 on both sides. Then your x must be 1,300. This is your only one critical value, right? Then, like we have to verify this will give you the maximum or minimum. Okay, there's two ways. We can use sign chart or second derivative test. Okay, like for this case, like since r prime is just polynomial, we would love to use the second derivative test. Okay. Okay, so like r double prime is just -1/2. Okay, then r double prime of your critical value is equal to no matter what 1/2, because that is constant, and which is negative. That means R has a local maximum at x equal to 1,300, okay? And also that is absolute maximum as well. It's obvious, okay? Like as you remember, local maximum means the top of the mountain, okay? Like to have another value which is bigger than like the top of the mountain, you must have another like critical value. But like for this case, we figured like there's only one critical value. So which means your graph will never come up again, okay? So this is only one critical value, and your local maximum will be absolute maximum as well. So like we found like quantity, then we have to find the price for the maximum revenue, right? There we go. So therefore, the price for maximum revenue is like P of 1,300, okay? We can plug in 1,300 into my price equation, which is the -1/4, 1,300 and plus 650. So how much is it? It is $325, okay? So like current price is $400, but like as you, like whenever you decrease your like attendance, I mean like the price to like 325, then you can make maximum. Okay, so how much is the maximum? Is equal to -1/4. Oh no, I'm sorry, just plug in the quantity because x is quantity, right? Okay, and since you can use calculator, we can do that. Times square. So your final revenue from this business is $422,500. Thank you.